Everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. In today's video, kind of like yesterday's, I don't know if it's going to be super helpful. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I don't know. But today's topic is going to be how do I get a Sumo Bot board? We teach robotics or we're participating with robotics, and man, sumo competitions they're the most fun thing. The kids are super excited. It was actually my first video here on YouTube was about Sumo Bot competitions. And so it was the very first thing that I did once I started teaching robotics. Super fun, so much laughs, so much learning going involved because there's so many sensors that you're using. Students are able to create their own Sumo Bots. It's just, I can't even, I can go on and on about it. But back in California, I was gifted Sumo Bot boards by a fellow teacher. And so moving out here to Tennessee, I didn't bring those with me. I left them in my room. And so my dilemma right now is how do I get my hands on Sumo boards? And so my first thought was, okay, let me go to Lowe's because they would be the ones to know about plywood and making it in a circle. And so my first question was, do you guys carry pre-cut, circular pieces of plywood? And they looked at me like, no, we don't do that. And then I thought, well, wait, maybe I know tables come in circles. So maybe they might have tabletops. And so they're like, yes, we have those. The official Sumo Bot diameter of a board is going to be 4 feet in diameter. And the biggest one that Lowe's sells is a 3-foot diameter board or table. So I thought, okay, maybe I can do, some competitions in my class. The only issue was it was $52. So I'm like, woof. I wanted like 3 or 4 because if you've ever done Sumo Bot competitions in a class, the kids are always going to just need those extra boards because they don't want to wait. They want to practice. They want to test out their program. And so I'm like doing the math going, gee, I don't think I can afford to pay $52. And you still have to, paint it. You still have to put the border around it. So I'm like, hey, maybe let's hit up YouTube and see if you guys have a better idea. I could, make my own boards. You can get the plywood, I don't know, $20, $30. But then you would need to cut out your own circle. I would need a router. I would need a jig to make the circle. And so I'm like, I'm not even sure if I want to do that because, routers are pretty expensive. And how many times am I going to be making a Sumo board? So I'm throwing it out to you guys. Hit me up in the comments section. Is there an easy way, or a better way to get, my hand on a Sumo Bot board other than paying $50 for the thing that I still have to paint? Is it better than getting my own plywood and then buying my own router to cut it out? I'm like, do I really have to spend this much money to get my hands on a 4-foot diameter circular piece of wood? So I would love to hear what you guys think. If you have, some expertise in making a Sumo Bot board, is there a better way? If you've ever purchased, a Sumo Bot board, can we get it cheaper? So hopefully a lot of you can throw a lot of suggestions down in the comment section, and those people that watch, like me, will also get some help. Because, ultimately it just comes down to being able to teach the kids programming with their sensors, having a lot of fun, building, teaching them about momentum and, just things that they're going to need to know. So hopefully you're out there that can help us out, okay? Thank you so much. Please hit me up in the comments section if you can help us out in any way, okay? Thank you for watching. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this. We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.